Hello, welcome to my channel Learn It Do It. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful dress. How you look backside. So I'm going to show you how it's look like. Body part and skirt part separate. You have two darts, princess line, and this part, this is with mesh, side zipper and flounce sleeve part. How you look backside. If you want to make zipper back center, you can put it here or side. I made my dress side zipper, and this part I make with elastic. It's little bit comfortable. And two darts. Let's start now. You trace your basic body whole piece with skirt, and I mark here neck deep 14 centimeters and make a nice curve until to side seam. Okay. And from new part here, new neckline point, you mark here 3.5 centimeters and deep 14 centimeters. You connect these 2 points. This is your mesh part. You cut with mesh. Unfold. Okay. Now make a line from center shoulder, from center shoulder to back, dart point here, and this line you mark 2 centimeters this side, 1 centimeter this side, and connect with dart point. 2 centimeters here, here 1 centimeter. From bust point you mark under bust length. I mark 8 centimeter. From this middle line you mark, this is middle line from your dart. From first leg you mark 1 centimeter here, the other leg you mark 1 centimeter here, and connect with dart point. Also with dart legs here. Okay, and make a nice curved line. Look, part 1, part 2, this is part 3. Skirt, from this point you make 3 centimeters inside and connect with hip line. Skirt little bit narrow, make nice shape. Okay, you can see. You measure from shoulder to this point how much you have, and please write down. I have 18 centimeters. I write down here 18 centimeters. Okay. Now I'm going to cut 1, 2, 3 and here 4. This part is 4. Your front part already finished. I take this fourth part, take a piece of paper and cut fold line. I leave it so like this and draw it. This means sewing allowance and cut. So you have now whole piece. You cut with mesh. Okay. You take your back side you draw a line straight, make 1 centimeter down and make curve, nice curve. Now, if you want to use zipper back side, you have to leave 2 centimeters for back center, and also I make this straight, back 1 and 2. Okay. If you want to make zipper, you can sew this part extra, cut extra and sew together. Look, this back one piece I cut on fold and I put here elastic piece. So then you cut this little bit straight. This is center back. Cut on fold. I always write this is up, waist, up, waist, seam, side seam, yeah. So also skirt, you make 3 centimeters in, connect with Okay, look, and cut with sewing allowance. When you are cut with fabric, do not forget to keep sewing allowance in waist area. You can cut backside on fold or with 2 pieces. So now I'm going to show you how to cut this flounce frill. Okay, I told you front I already measured shoulder to new neckline point. I got 17, yeah, 18 centimeters. Correct? Yeah, 18 centimeters. Now I'm going to check back side. I got 18, and front and back together I got 40 centimeters. This 40 centimeters I'm going to divide 6.28. 40 divide 6.28. I have 6.3. 6.3. This is radius. Okay. You draw a line and line cross. This is center. I'm going to mark this 6.3, rotate, so okay, this is radius. Now you need width of this frill. I have 8 centimeters, so I mark 8 centimeters all around. So one side I make like this, the other side also like this. I'm going to cut. This is your frill. Look, front and back. You can cut 2 pieces from this. One is same wide, the other one 2 centimeters wider as this one. Okay, because I have 2 frills. Now look, this is front skirt part, body, and this is with mesh cut. This is back. I cut 2 frills. Look what I done. I took measurement from shoulder to neck, new neck front and back together. Look, and you sew these two frills with this strap. Okay, and how you look. This is my dress. How you look. These two frills I attach with, and look inside. You cannot see your sewing lines. This is facing, this is front. First you join these together, and do not forget this one. You have to keep sewing allowance, okay, here. And after that you join this mesh part with these two. Look, and join all parts together. Then you sew your facing same upper part and finish it with neckline and turn it. Look, I give small bone in here, small piece bone in. Look, stay stable. Look, zipper. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoy with my tutorial. If you are satisfied, please subscribe to my channel. Learn it, do it. Until next time, stay happy and safe. I'm Sandhya.